Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Andobil bike phone mount. It's really cool bike phone mount because it is the latest version of it and it comes with a really nice upgrades. Super stable and full protection for our phone. It's an adjustable universal cell phone holder for our bike, bicycle, motorcycle, scooter, or other devices. It's fit for the iPhone 14 family, 13, 12, Samsung Galaxy S23, S22, and so on, Note 20, LG, and all other kind of smartphones out there. The Andobil bicycle phone mount has a security lock at the back that can tightly lock our phone on the mount. It makes sure that the phone doesn't drop even if it shakes violently. It can ensure the safety for our phone in high-speed cycling or harsh road conditions. The Andobil bike phone mount features 4 corrugated silicone cushions that completely wrap our phone. This keeps our phone from scratches and vibration secured. We make sure that our phone is not damaged under any circumstances. The smartphone will securely stay on the bike cell phone holder like a baby without any shaking, with high protection and shock absorption. And we have an upgraded, strongest handlebar clamp in order to solve the pain point of the handlebar clamps on the market that are easy to break and damage the phone. They have exclusively introduced the upgrade metal rod handlebar clamp. It will never break to ensure that it's safety to our phone. And the upgraded handlebar clamp has added anti-slip hard rubber to increase the grip. And the bike phone holder will never flip down or swing, achieve the ultimate stability and security on the bumpy roads. So far, the easiest to operate phone holder for a bike, which can be quickly locked and released our phone with only one hand in 1 second. We simply pull down the mount to install and release the phone. Convenient to take photos or videos to share with our friends during the ride. We won't miss any view. And easy and quick installation without tools. The innovative bicycle phone holder clamp makes it very easy to attach or detach to the handlebars. Simply attach it to the handlebar and screw the nut tight. And the clamp size is adjustable. It fits for any handlebar between 50mm and 45mm. This is a big range. These are 0.59 inches to 1.77 inches diameter. Such as bicycle, motorcycle, scooter, treadmill, indoor bike, spinner, and even stroller. The Andobil phone bike mount compatible with all 4 up to 7 inches smartphones with a thickness up to 15mm including the phone case, such as the iPhone family 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 13, 12 family, and so on. And of course, it matches to the Galaxy S22, 21, to Note 20, Note 10, and so on. It's a bike phone holder. The model is a CTVK54. Applicable places are the bicycle, motorcycle, baby strollers, etc. It's a phone holder which comes with a compatibility from 4.7 up to 6.8 inches smartphone. The bicycle clip compatibility is 0.6 up to 1.75 inches in diameter. And we have a lock button on the back side. With this unique lock button, we can lock the device and unlock it. We have a left-right clamp arm on the upper side of the mount, and on the bottom side there is a silicone pad with a lower clamp arm. On the back side we have a fixed nut. This is the standard way to attach it to a connection ball. On the clamp system we have adjusting screw, which is made out of metal, a bicycle fixed clip in a silicone pad. We unscrew and remove the fixed nut from the phone holder first. Then we put the fixed nut on the connecting ball of the bicycle fixed clip. The connection ball must be faced the side with a small opening, of course. We align the round hole on the back of the phone clip with the connecting ball and push it firmly into position until it tightens and it fixes the nut. We loosen the adjusting screw and open the jar of the bicycle fixed clip to widen the handlebar around it. We install the bicycle fixed clip on the bicycle handle and we tighten the adjusting screw to fix the bracket. Then we can use it. We turn the lock button to the unlock position. Then we hold the phone against the lower clamp arm and press down firmly. The left and the right clamp arms will automatically open and lock the phone after it. After this, we turn the lock button to the locked position to secure the bracket. According to our needs of use, we can rotate it 360 degrees. We turn it up or down, left or right, horizontal or vertical screen, as we like. The phone holder has a charging cable hole at the bottom, which is convenient for managing the charging cable while we are using it, for example. After using that, we turn the lock button on the unlock position, we press down the mobile phone firmly to open the bracket, and we take it out of the phone holding system. We should make sure that the mount is installed steadily to avoid the phone is dropping or bumpy riding. We do not disassemble it because this can push down the clamp function, for example. We insert the phone mount in a suitable place before starting our journey. We do not operate and adjust the phone mount while riding. And we take off the phone holder clamp while not in use, avoid long time exposure to the sun or rain, in case shorten is working live. But it is waterproof, you can go and use it outdoor, no problem for it. We keep the product away from children because it comes with a clamping function, of course. And then we can go and have a nice ride with the Andobil phone holder. Andobil focus on phone bracket field, provide excellent products to let us enjoy the fun of cycling. It's an expert in bike phone mounts, and that's right. They have a lot of phone mounts on the market since a lot of years, and they're every year in each version they're better with it. And I think this year is the best bike phone mount from Andobil so far. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.